what's up guys, Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made a very simple 6-ingredient and what I call the lemony salmon egg fried rice. Alright guys, so I've been experimenting a lot on shorter recipes, so something that only requires 5 to 6 ingredients, just like this one right here. Saves time. I tend to be very efficient in the kitchen, so I don't really like to spend a lot of time meal prepping, so I think you should also try that out too. So with this recipe, this is what you need. You need some salmon fillets. I've actually cut them up into small cube size. You also need some lemon zest. You also need some fresh lemon juice. You need some egg yolks. I've used 3 egg yolks for this recipe. You also need some baby spinach. And last but not least, some cooked basmati rice. So if you've got everything guys, let's get started to make this lemony salmon egg fried rice. You do need to heat up a non-stick skillet with some extra virgin oil spray. Spray the pan. Once it's heated up, you want to add in your salmon. You want to cook it. The thing about salmon is you want to cook it, you don't need a lot of time to cook it really, okay? About 3 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, that is enough, okay? So once it's already cooked, you want to transfer it to a plate and then set aside. Using the same skillet, you want to now add in your egg yolks, your lemon zest, and your lemon juice. Stir it up together to make it a little bit like scrambled eggs, and then add in your cooked basmati rice. Stir it up together guys, and make sure the rice is coated very well with the egg and lemon mixture, and then you add in your baby spinach. Until the spinach is wilted, and then you are done. You're gonna remove it from heat and build your meals. Alright guys, so I've made 3 meals for this recipe. All you need to do is just put equal amounts into each container, and then you're done. Meal prep done. It's super easy, 6 ingredients. I really hope you enjoyed that recipe, and if you do, I really appreciate a subscribe. Just click on the button right here on the left. I'll be back next week with a brand new cheap, fast and nutritious Asian meal prep recipe video. Till then, have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.